Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making Red Lobster's cheddar baked biscuits. I've always wanted to try them and we don't have Red Lobster in Australia. With international travel not being possible at the moment, I figured I would try making them. A link to the recipe is in the description box below. If you want to see me cook more American takeout foods, don't forget to like the video or leave a comment on what you'd like to see me cook next. I'm starting off by adding all the dry ingredients into a large bowl and giving them a quick mix. In a jug, I have buttermilk and melted butter. I'm going to combine them before adding them to the dry ingredients. Next, add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and mix until just combined. Add the grated cheese and give the dough one last mix. Portion the dough using a 1/4 cup measure and place the portions onto a lined baking tray. And then place into a preheated oven, 230 degrees Celsius or 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes. While still warm, brush a mixture of melted butter, garlic powder and parsley onto the biscuits.